In this video, I'll show you how to load body into a field in law prediscovery. So why would you load body into a field in a tblDoc in law? I don't really know, but people keep asking me about it. And I think that's because they want to do searches for text that doesn't actually include header of an email. Now there are other headers in the email chain, so I'm not sure if it's very useful, but if people are asking me, I will help them out. So here's how to do it. We'll go to law, we'll go to modify fields and add a field. We'll call it body 1. I'm going to do body 2 because I want to show you how to do it the second way. So we're going to make sure it's a memo type field and we're going to click OK. And let's do body 2 just so I could show it to you right away. So I'm going to close it, say yes. We can go to our list view here and we can add our body fields. All right, so we have body 1 and 2. So body 1, we're going to do it using SQL Server. I'm going to switch over to SQL Server and I'm going to find database that is associated with my law case. I'm going to go to File, New, Query with Current Connection, and I'll make sure that the database I'm working with is selected. Now, I already pre-created a SQL query that will perform the update. So I'm just going to paste it in. I didn't want you guys to sit there and watch me type it. But what it's going to do is it's going to update tblDoc, and it will update field tblBody, and it's going to take values from tblBody, which is right here. So if I'm going to select it, there is a table that contains all the bodies of all emails. It's stored separately. And it's going to do a join based on the ID in both tables. So let's run it. And we say 104 records affected. We're going to switch over to here. And if we expand this a little bit, you see how we start seeing bodies. So now you can go to your search. You can select your body 1. And you can perform your text search on that field. There is a second way of doing it, and that's a little bit of an easier way. It's using EDD Tools. It's a paid application that I have on my website, #legal.com. So I'm going to go to Tools, Run Command, EDD Tools. It's going to confirm yes, we're going to allow it to run. And I'm going to go to a tool called Load Linked Table to tblDoc. And this handles multiple linked tables. The one we want here is body, and we're going to load this to body 2, and we're going to click go, and it's going to confirm that I have a backup. And I'm going to switch over here and expand body 2, and you see we have identical results. So what's the difference between running SQL query and EDD Tools? Well, if you have a large database, SQL query may time out. So then you would have to run it on a smaller set of records. So if you're doing 1 million records, you will have to do it in multiple sets. Where EDD Tools will not have that limitation. It'll just go down the list and it'll do one record at a time, and it's just sort of a loop that keeps going and going. So you just run it and wait for it to be done. Some performance considerations. When you are doing this, you put in a lot of data into SQL Server. So it may be a good idea to run this by your IT department and make sure that you're not going to max out space on your SQL Server or put some extreme load on the SQL Server in a shared environment and just completely slow down other people. Regardless of the reason why you're doing this, hopefully this was helpful to you, and now you can search in a body field only. I hope you got some useful information from this video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out my website, #legal.com, which has lots of valuable tools I create for relativity as well as law. Feel free to share this video with your coworkers if you feel they can benefit from information provided. Subscribe to stay up to date with videos as they're being released. Click bell to be notified as soon as videos come out, and don't be afraid to suggest ideas for other videos in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.